Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to married filing separately on Turbotax. So first, of course, you may want to head over to Intuit Turbotax and make sure that you're logged into your account. So from your homepage, in the left panel, switch to My Info, and from your personal profile, head over and click on your name's drop-down menu. Then click on the Edit button or Revisit button, whatever button is available to edit this field. Now from here, skip by clicking on the Continue button. You're just going to need to skip some parts. So just proceed until you get to this page about your household. Now from here, you're going to need to change your what is your marital status to, of course, married, then choose Plan to File separately or as head of household. Then once done, proceed by clicking on Continue. There might be on-screen prompts and fields that will ask about your spouse SSN or ITIN. So make sure that you fill them out all correctly and accurately. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!